Hi there crafters, it's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are making this cute little card using two different stamp sets. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to bring in the Big Shot, and I have a piece of Very Vanilla, and I'm using the largest square from the Stitch Shapes framelits. And I'm just going to run that through. So just like that. And that is all that we're using the Big Shot for. And then we will start with our stamping. I'm going to bring in my piercing mat because the stamp I'm using is, well, one of them is photopolymer. So I have the little fox here from Foxy Friends. And I'm going to ink that up in the Cajun Craze. And I just want to center him like that. Perfect. Okay, now I'm going to bring in my basic black. And I have his little eyes mounted on block A. Just like that. Now, I'm going to go ahead and put this aside and bring in the little scrap that we had and some Night of Navy. And I'm going to be using the sentiment from Truly Tailored, You're a Fox. So we will ink that up. Just like that. And then I also have the bow tie from the Truly Tailored, and that's on block A. Right, so that is all the stamping we're doing. I'm going to come in with my coordinating punch. And punch that out. And then I'm just going to cut this little bow tie out. Alright, and we will put this card together. So my card base is Night of Navy, and it's cut at 8.5 by 5.5, and it's scored at 4 1/4. And then I have the Designer Series paper from True Gentleman, and this is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. I'm just going to put this down with some snail. And we will center that. Just like that. And now I'm going to get some little mini glue dots. And I'm just going to put one on each end of the bow tie. And I want to make it like a little fancy fox. Alright, so I'm going to pop him up with some Stampin' Dimensionals. And I want to put it right down there in the corner. And then I'm going to pop the sentiment up as well. Just like that. Alright, so there you have it, a quick and simple card to tell someone they're a fox. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!